Hey, you do it for the news media or something? What you doing, man?
No.
Hey, I'm told government what you doing.
You suspect me of committing a crime?
No.
Okay.
Well, I'll make sure you ain't.
Is there something wrong with me filming? I mean, I'm not doing anything.
I was asking for your ID.
Minding my own business, filming. You don't. I don't ask you questions.
I ain't asking more yours then.
Take your hand off my vehicle.
Make me take it off.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's video was submitted by Ludwig von Jackhole. Be sure to head over to his channel and let him know I sent you. Ludwig pulled into a gas station in Richmond Hill and observed a man inside acting strange. Once inside, the clerk warned Ludwig that the man had threatened her with a gun. Fortunately, the man left, and upon the arrival of the Richmond Hill Police Department, Ludwig gave a short description of the man. Suddenly, the man returned to the gas station, and that's when the recording begins, and Officer Cameron approaches.
All right, how's it going?
Hey, you do it for the news media or something? What you doing, man?
No.
Hey, I'm told government what you doing. You doing all right, guy?
Yeah, just
Yeah, what you doing?
looking out for y'all.
Oh, yeah? Why?
Yeah.
Why are you doing that?
Because I was here when this guy was doing this thing earlier. Yeah.
What were you doing?
I wasn't doing anything.
What you doing now?
I'm just filming.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Just in case.
No, just in case.
See, I don't know what you got over there. If you had a gun pointing out your gun over here.
It's a phone.
You doing that kind of thing.
Yeah, it's a phone.
Huh?
It's a phone.
You sure?
Yeah, you know it's a phone.
I'm not sure it is.
You know it's a phone.
Yeah. Well, how are you a party to this?
I'm not.
You're not?
No, sir.
You're just interfering yourself with it?
I'm not interfering with anything.
At this point, it appears that the friendly Officer Cameron has approached Ludwig to distract him from recording the incident, standing directly in front of the lens and distracting his attention away from the scene. Ludwig also tells me that Officer Cameron reached through the vehicle's window and rubbed his arms and upper chest, as if he were conducting a cursory search of his person. Officer Cameron appears to be a chameleon. His tone and body language says one thing, but his actions and upcoming line of questioning suggests another.
I got you, bud. Got your ID on you?
I do.
I got you.
What do you need my ID for?
I don't know who was out here around this, what we're doing.
You suspect me of committing a crime?
No.
Okay.
Well, I'll make sure you ain't.
Okay.
I've been doing this 36 years. I'm gonna make sure.
Okay, I'm not committing a crime though.
All right. I asked you a simple question.
Is there something wrong with me filming?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not doing
Tell all you
anything.
want. I was asking for your ID.
Why do you need my ID?
I want to know who's all at this state with this right here.
I don't have anything to do with this. I tried to help the gentleman, the officer with you.
Okay, and I believe you.
And by telling him there might be a gun
I want your
in there.
ID for that. You already put yourself in this situation?
I haven't put myself into
You're
anything.
doing it right now.
No, I
You're
haven't.
doing it right now, y'all.
So what's your name?
I need to see your ID.
What's your name?
I'm going to tell you nothing. Give me your ID.
Why do I have to give you my ID?
Because I asked for it.
So you suspect me of committing a crime?
No, you've already incited yourself with this situation.
How is that?
By sitting here filming.
That's against the law?
No, it ain't.
It's against the state statute.
What is your deal?
I'm just trying to film, man. I mean, I was filming for the heck of it because I
I
can.
don't care if you film, but why are you doing it?
So if you don't care, then why does it matter why I'm doing it?
I want to know who you are here.
Well, you don't get to know that.
You don't know what we're doing here.
You don't get to know that.
You don't know what we're doing here, do you?
Well,
Do you? We're dealing with a guy with a gun.
yeah, I know.
And you're here
And I'm
now.
the one that told your
And you're
officer
here
that
now,
he
you
might
ain't
have a
telling
gun
me
to be
nothing.
careful.
And you ain't telling me nothing.
What's that? I don't have to tell you anything.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
When I ask you to.
Why do I?
Because you're part
But under
of it
what
now.
law?
You're sitting right here filming.
Under
and I
what
wanna
law?
know who you are.
You're telling me that you've done this for 36 years.
That's right.
And
How
that
old
gives
are
you the
How old are
authority.
How old
I'm
are
45. That gives you the authority
45?
to demand my ID.
9 years. Yeah. Shut that. You know what?
So what's your name?
Cameron.
Cameron.
Yeah.
What's your badge number?
104.
104. What's your last name?
Cameron.
That is your last
That's
name?
it.
Okay.
That's it. Now, give me yours.
But I don't need to.
I didn't need to give you mine.
Well, yeah.
But I did,
Well, you
didn't
did. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Well,
did.
look at
though.
this. See how
Because
you doing
you've
now?
initiated
See how you
a
doing
contact with me.
Right, you initiate with
So
us.
no, you initiated with me.
No,
I'm sitting here minding my own business, filming, while it's being filmed over there too. Minding my own business, and you've got you don't suspect me of committing a crime. You don't. I don't answer questions.
I ain't asking more yours then.
Okay then. So then I guess we're done. So going back and handle what the real emergency is. Okay, well then take your hand off my vehicle.
Make me take it off.
Now see, you're trying to get me to do something stupid. I'm not going
I ain't
to.
trying to get you to do nothing. You're already doing it. Good day, sir.
Law enforcement officers seem to have an aversion to cameras, even though this department claims to be guided by the Constitution of the United States of America. Of course, we don't know for sure that this officer's intent was to keep the scene from being documented, but his first line of questions about being with the news is telling.
What you doing, man?
What we do know is that after 36 years, Officer Cameron has developed a very childish way of dealing with the public.
Minding my own business, filming. I don't answer questions.
I ain't asking more yours then.
Take your hand off my vehicle.
Make me take it off.
We are in a very interesting point in history, where the old-timers on the force were trained prior to having to worry about police accountability and transparency. The widespread deployment of cameras on nearly all citizens is the biggest threat to old-school policing. They've made a huge difference, but it may take generations until officers are trained enough to understand and actually protect our rights. I spoke with the department and they do utilize body cams, and I will be FOIA requesting the footage of this incident, but it is important to film all police encounters, as footage is extremely difficult to obtain. Ludwig has reached out to the department and the county commissioner, but has yet to hear back. A big thanks to him for submitting this video and keeping his cool during this encounter. He plans on continuing with his channel. Please head over and show some support and let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.